Okay, so this is the notes. We'll pull up the intermediate term. So just as we are looking for a bouncing period in yields, it makes sense to therefore be looking for a peak and a corrective period to get underway in notes. And that is really what we're seeing here. A low that is due 129 to 325. No confirmed high quite yet, but we are looking for this to give a pullback. Now, if we form a higher low here based on this track right there, that would say that this is that key dominant trough on this longer blue cycle right there. Okay, if this gets a test of that low, then that would say that our key low would only form really on time versus what we were looking for previously. Right now, given the shift in the intermediate term TNX cycle structure, the higher odds are that this would form a higher low here and then turn up like that. But we just have to see what happens. But that is really what the highest odds are at this point, given what we have seen in yields. Jump over to the daily chart. Now, still seeing higher cycle highs, higher cycle lows. We have a trough that's due right around this middle to end of January time period. So shortly in the short term, we'll be watching for this to give a pop. And it's important to see that fail and roll down to give you some confirmation that you're in that key intermediate term corrective period in notes. So we haven't seen an important shift yet in the cycle structure or a confirmed shift to the downside in the trend. Those two things have to happen here for there to be an obvious shift in bias in the notes.